Looking at gold, guys, I'm just going to go quickly to the daily. Okay, this has been fairly bearish. Okay, it's been chewing up liquidity under these lows here. You can see the pin bars. Okay, so the reaction off that had a bit of a pullback. So I'm looking for a sell opportunity given that the stock markets are rallying. The stocks are actually a bit overextended, so if we see them pull back, we might see gold possibly pull back a little higher. That could be a thing. All right, but the way that I will approach this would be 15-minute, 30-minute. Just keep an eye on how this is trending. So that's actually a fairly deep pullback here. Yeah, I'll be looking for this to break structure pretty much. So we've got this going on right now. And all I'm waiting for is fake out, shake out, something like that. Let's just do that a little bit better. Let's grab my pencil. So I wanted to trade up, fake out, shake out, okay, and then it trades off with speed. So I'm looking for some kind of a range. This is what I'm talking about here, although it didn't really give us the fake out. Well, yeah, I'm usually looking for some sort of a run under to trap traders short, and then they take out their stops, and then we get this lower high setup. This is exactly the sort of price action that I'm looking for. All right, so I want this to trade back, range, run stops, and then give me a setup. What else can I say? Look, this could happen here. I mean, the 50 to 61.8 is just a bit of a look. It's a general thing, and if you pull this Fibonacci, no matter where you go, look, let's have a look at this trend here, for example. See how it sets up where you get these lower highs, lower lows, right? Fib retrace. If we pull a fib from the high to the low, see the move into the 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci. All right, do it again. The next, swing. Well, here we go. Swing high, swing low. The pullback here into 50 to 61.8. So every swing high, swing low in a trend, I'm always looking for that. Give or take, that pulled back a bit higher. So you've got to watch out for that. They will look to run stops above previous highs through here in a downtrend. Okay, so every now and again, it's gonna spike a little bit further than you would expect, like that. But it's the same thing here. I'm looking for. Here it is. Here, look, swing high, swing low. The pullback into this red and blue zone. That's my key point of interest. But it doesn't have to play out here. It could play out here. It could play out a little higher. Okay. But that's just generally where I'm interested in getting involved. And I want to see it range and then start to break structure bearish. All right, so that's what I'm looking for at the moment with gold, guys. If this fails to play out, then there's no trade. So basically, I'll write a little note because it's pretty specific in terms of like entry, stop loss, etc. I'm looking for, sell on bearish break of structure and retest of the the range. And what else can I say? Sell on bearish break of structure and retest of the range. Yeah, if this, guys, I would really love it if you commented. Definitely share your thoughts. That would be awesome. If this doesn't play out, then we abandon this idea. I need to copy and paste this, guys, because I'm typing it every time. Idea, okay. Sell on bearish BOS. Here we go. Look, I'll show you what we've got here. Save as. This is awesome. Okay. Save as sell note. There you go. All right, guys. Look, that's the thing. Yeah, pretty much it. Definitely comment. That would be awesome. That's my take on gold at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.